Thanksgiving Day, November 28th, 2024, quarter till 5, 54 degrees, Georgia Highway 92 North, Paulding County, Ackworth, Georgia. We're on our way to Buc-ee's in Calhoun. We're going to check out the city of Calhoun. It'll probably be dark by the time we get there. We'll check out Buc-ee's and the Loves. We'll give some Thanksgiving Day videos. I'm going to try to start mixing some, well, I've already started mixing some videos up. I'm going to try to start doing some other types of videos. Y'all got any ideas, something you'd like to see that's unusual or wacky? Shoot me a couple of suggestions. I'll see if I can try to make it work. I'm looking at a couple of other different cameras that will allow me to do some different stuff. So if you got some suggestions, kick them out. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really need it. Shoot me a note. So, let's see. They're in the middle of this widening project on 92. I'm not sure how far west or south they're going, but they're coming from US 41. When we get there, we will turn left and head up 41. We'll probably get on 75 at Lake Point Sports at exit 283, where the Loves and Quick Trip, Varsity, all that stuff is right there. But they're going to put that big acoustic type fence up right there to help all those people over there from the noise control, noise pollution. Negotiable. I offered him 15. He came back at 18. The road to the right will take you down to Georgia 292 or 293. To the left winds you around into Paulding County. I expect to see the GM Mississippi. Had somebody pulled over right down here yesterday. We are running the speed limit 55. So everyone else is exceeding the speed limit. And we are we're running about 58. Well, they're running about 65. We're running 60. We got to back off a little bit. Okay, we're right down to 55. Crossing over Pumpkin Vine Creek. This one off when we get to Lake Point Sports. We'll get a picture of that area over there, and then we'll get another one of 75 north. We are about 4 minutes into this one. There on the left, they cut into it for a good year or more, and now they're filling it up with apartments and I guess townhomes. Crossing over Pumpkin Vine Creek again and entered Emerson, Georgia. Pumpkin Vine Creek is adequately named because it twists around like a pumpkin vine. We're going to turn right here. Turning this off, we'll be getting a picture. So this is exit 283 on I-75, Emerson, Georgia.